In this video, we are going to download and install Zoom in our Windows laptop or PC. So for it, just go to your browser, then you need to search for Zoom, download, then press enter, and then it will show you a link over here, and just click on the first link. Then here, what you need to do is that here you can see download 64-bit, 32-bit and download ARM 64-bit. So my PC support 64-bit. So right now what I'm going to do is that I'll click on download 64-bit and it will start downloading the file, and it is around 103 MB, and there you can see the download is complete. So once the download is complete, you just need to double click on the exe file, and after double clicking on it, it will initialize the Zoom download, and the Zoom download is complete. So here you can see it will show you a few options: join a meeting, sign up and sign in. So you can just click on sign up, and you need to mention your birth year, and you need to make sure that you are more than 18 years old. So I'll just say here birth year will be 2000, click on next, and here you need to give your email address, or you can also sign it using Google as well. So I'll just sign up using Google. Then you need to choose your Gmail account, click on continue, and then click on create account. And there you can see our account creation is complete. Here you can see it says welcome to Zoom. There is launch Zoom option, and it is also showing us a pop-up open Zoom meeting. If you just click on it, it will open Zoom over here. There you can see, and currently we are logged in. So now we can join any meeting or create any meeting. So this is how you can download and install Zoom on your Windows. I hope this was useful. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.